Hello and welcome to the Yogalogy. So here we are once again for our weight loss session. Your love and support keeps us getting live with you all every day. Exercise with diet really helps. Also, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Yogalogy. Also, don't forget to comment in the comment box. So let us start without wasting our time. Get ready with your mats, pen and paper. Now in starting, we will do some warm-up exercises to strengthen our spine. Gently jog in your place. Just to open our body, let us do few twists. Now come on the mat and let us do downward facing dog. Raise your heels, gently raise your heels. As you can see, there is a lot of pressure on your back, on your stomach, on your thighs, your calf muscles. It really helps you reduces your thigh fat. Now, gently come to the cat and cow pose. Let us do few cat and cow pose to strengthen our spine. Okay, now we are ready for exercises. Please do it gently and slowly with us. All can do, but high BP patients, heart patients, please don't pull your head over and over again from the ground. Otherwise, these exercises will increase your blood pressure. So do it gently and let's get started. Now, first exercise is the 100. Now, as you can see your body, there's a greater pressure on your core, on your stomach. Remain here for a few seconds. Come down. Gently come down. Rest here. Now, the second is the roll up. Gently do the roll up. Here, as you can see, there is a greater pressure on your spine and your core. When you come back, gently you have to do all these exercises. Now let us relax. Now we will do the roll over. Gently pull your legs. Yes, come down gently. Rest here for a few seconds. Just relax. Relax and let us do the leg circles. Leg circles. Keep your other foot in air. Keep your other foot in air and do the leg circles. Gently do the leg circles. Now with the other leg, You have to do it clockwise and anti-clockwise also. There can be few mistakes by you, but it is okay, and move on. No one is perfect in doing the exercises, but when we practice, we become perfect. Now relax. Relax here for a few seconds. Relax. Relax and relax. Now we will do the rolling like. Hold your shin bone. Hold your shin bone. Hold your shin bone. Gently hold your shin bone. And do the rolling. Very nice. Gently do it for few counts. Now release. Gently come on the mat. Cover your whole mat. Now we will do the single leg raise and the other foot will be in the air. Now change your leg, gently change your leg. Now relax. Now we will do the double leg. Pull your hands up in the air and your legs in the air. So as you can see, there is a greater pressure on your hands. Your whole body is getting stretched, especially your core is getting involved. So there is a lot of pressure. Now relax. Now we will do the single leg straight. Gently pull your leg up. Gently pull your leg up, yes, like this. And raise your head. The BP patients are not supposed to raise their heads. Keep your heads down. The BP patients. Now we are doing with our other leg. Now relax. Relax for a few seconds. Yes. Now we will do the double leg. As you can see, we are taking both the legs in the air. Our head is raised above the ground and remain in this position for few seconds. Relax. Gently you have to do all the exercises. Relax, relax and relax. These exercises, if done for a longer time, it will really tone up your whole body. The next exercise is the crisscross. Now let us do the crisscross. As you can see, in each exercise there is a greater core engagement. Now let us relax. Now let us relax. And now we will do the spine stretch. Roll down your head. Very nice. Remain in this position for few seconds. Now relax. Now we will do the saw. As you can see, you have to touch your foot. Each time your stomach is pressed, it really affects our abdomen. Now we will do the single leg kicks. Gently lie on your stomach and do the single legs kick. Yes. Here also it is looking easy. As you can see, it looks easy, but it is very hard to do. Yes, it is very hard to do if done properly. Very nice. Now gently do the double leg kicks. Engage your both legs, your abdomen, your neck. Now relax. And now let us sit down and let us do the neck pull. Now let us do the neck pull. Neck pull. As you can see, there is a complete rolling of our neck. Our abdomen is also getting stretched. How beautifully she is doing for us. Now just relax. In between, one thing I would like to mention is that keep your spine straight while you are doing your exercises, because when your spine is erect, it really helps you in a greater flow of oxygen and blood. So keep your spine erect and do the exercises. Also, please mention your comments in the comment box. We are here live with you. You can drop your numbers. Now we will do the scissors. Gently lie down and do the scissors. Now, as you can see, there is a greater pull of your legs and your core is getting engaged. So, a lot of pressure is there on your abdomen, which will actually help you in loosening your belly fat. Now gently relax and come down on your mat. Lie down properly on your mat and let us do the shoulder bridge. We will pull our leg up and down, in between and down, up and down, up and down. Let us do with the other leg. Let us do with the other leg also. As you can see, there is a complete raise of your heels. Practice with us. Keep practicing with us. All these exercises will really help you. Now gently rest down. Rest. Keep your body straight and relax. Now let us sit down. Gently sit down and we will do the spine twist. Let us sit properly. Let us sit properly and do the spine twist. Yes. Now the other side. You have to see the alignment of your body when you are doing your exercises. Now let us do the jackknife. Pull your legs up, take your legs up. Yes. Now gently relax. There is always a greater pressure on your neck, your back, your legs and your core. Do all exercises gently and slowly with us. Now we will do the side kicks. Keep your one foot in the air. When you will do, you will really feel pressure on your core. Now do the other side. You can start it from the 5 countings and do it as many times as your body allows you. Now let us do the hip circles. Gently sit down and let us do the hip circles. We will do this clockwise and anti-clockwise. Please keep moving your legs with us. Now anti-clockwise. Now gently relax and lie down. Think of all the good things that you can think right now while relaxing. Just think of the beautiful exercises that you are doing with us. And just make a wish while relaxing that you loosen your belly fat with our sessions. Now let us do the swimming. Come on, lie down on your stomach, come down, lie down on your stomach, lift both your legs up and your hands. Yay, very nice. We all know how to swim. If nobody knows, if there is someone who doesn't know, can start swimming right now, but on the floor, not in the pool. Very nice. Relax. Now gently come in your push-up position and take your leg up and down. Leg up and down. This is how you have to do it. Each exercise of today involves your core muscles. So take care of your core while doing the exercises and be empty stomach when you do the core exercises. Now gently relax and do the leg pull-ups. Take a reverse plank position, and now let us pull our leg up and down, up and down, up and down. Now the other leg. Now the other leg. Now let us relax. Relax, relax and relax. And now let us do the mermaid side. How the mermaid sits. Relax. Now let us do the seal exercise. Do it as many counts you want to do. Now just relax. Let us do few stretchings to cool down our body. Interlock your fingers. Stretch your toes, cool down your body, gently and slowly cool down your body. Just relax for few counts. Relax, relax and relax. Relax. Relax your whole body from toe to head. You just have to relax. Relax each and every muscle, especially your core muscles. Now, let us take the diet plan for our 4th day. Today, now you can gently wake up and with the help of your elbow, just gently wake up and sit down. Just take your pen and paper and write down your diet for the 4th day. Gently write down, slowly you have to write the morning detox drink, that is the 1 glass Lauki, the bottle gourd juice, 1 glass bottle gourd juice, लौकी का जूस लेना है आपको. In morning snack, you can take 5 almonds soaked and peeled. 5 बादाम लिखिए, 5 बादाम भीगी हुई और छिलका उतरा हुआ. Now, in breakfast, you can take dal chila or sprouts. In lunch, take any green vegetable plus 2 small rotis. The evening snack which you have to take is your green tea, only green tea. Now in dinner again we can take idli or paneer bhurji with veggies, that too with salad. Idli plus paneer bhurji and salad. Bedtime tea or we can take water. Tea is green tea you can take, or you can take the coriander water, hot water. Hot water. Hope you all have written your diet plan for the 4th day. Please all of you follow the exercises and diet which we are sharing with you, because it will really help you out. Now the general guidelines, as we are taking, finish all your meals by 6:30 PM. 6:30 बजे से पहले आपको अपनी मील्स ले लेनी है. Drink 10 glasses of water throughout the day. 10 glasses. Also, do 15 minutes meditation daily. Sunday lunch is a cheat meal. Rest, choose from your menu. Now, let us relax. Relax and relax. So, hope you like our video. Catch us tomorrow at the same time. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Join us tomorrow. Have a great evening with your near and dear ones. So, tata, bye bye and sayonara.